Nishad Fernandez, and I am a Customer Experience Manager here at Stop It Solutions. Today I will be showing you how to send and manage announcements through SuperAdmin settings on our 911 Direct Panic web platform. First, you will need to log into admin.sisalert.com. Once you log in, you will be taken to a landing page. To access announcements, click on the option at the top or middle of your screen. You will then be taken to the announcements page. Here you will be able to view any previous announcements you have sent, including the status, category, whom it was created by, and the time and date it was sent. You may also filter the announcements by sent, draft, or scheduled announcements by clicking on the appropriate item in the status filter box. To quickly find an announcement, use the search feature on the left by typing in keywords. Now let's talk about how to create an announcement. To create an announcement, click on Actions, Create Announcement. A pop-up will appear on your screen. You have the option of selecting a predefined message template or typing in a new message. If you choose the latter, type in a title and message. Next, select Options. Here you will be able to categorize the announcement by type, add an audio or voice message clip, upload a photo or video, change the response type, and enable or disable commenting. Once finished making your selections, click the Back button. Next, select Schedule. You will have the option of sending the announcement right now, one time in the future, or you may set up recurring announcements daily, weekly, or monthly. If you choose a future date and time, you must select it using the time and date on the bottom of the scheduler. Once you are finished making your selections, click on Back. Next, select Distribution. Here is where you can select the role groups you would like to release this announcement to. Check the appropriate roles, and once you are finished making your selections, click on Back. Next, select Channels. Here is where you can determine how you would like this announcement sent. By default, push, text, and email notifications will be selected. However, if you wish to turn one or more off, simply toggle the button to off. Once you are finished making your selections, click on Back. Lastly, if you wish to provide a location with the announcement, you may click on Location. Type in the address and click Save. On the bottom of the pop-up, you will have the ability to save the message as a draft or preview the message before it is sent. Once you are ready to send, click Send. Once the message has been sent, you will be able to see the announcements listed under Announcements. Now let's talk about how to manage an announcement once it's been sent. To manage an announcement, click on the gear icon on the right-hand side of the corresponding announcement you would like to manage. Here we have View Details or Edit and Resend. Let's talk about View Details first. Clicking on on View Details will lead you to an audit page of the announcement. Here you will see 3 columns. The first column is Details. Here you can view the details of the title, the message, the category, the response type, if an audio message was included, if an attachment was included, if comments were enabled, total number of recipients, and total number of recipients who have read the announcement. The second column is Distribution. Here is where you can view the organization app roles you have released the announcement to, and the announcement audit, which will contain any action taken by you or any of the recipients. Lastly, we have communication channels. Here is where it will indicate the channel the announcement was sent through and how long it took to be delivered through each of the corresponding channels. Now let's review the other options we have on this page. Directing your attention to the top right-hand side of my screen, you will see a few items here. The first option is View Location. Here is where you can view the user location of the announcement during the creation of the announcement. You will also have an option of satellite or standard map. The next option is View Responses. Here is where you can view the user responses of yes or no. You will be able to see the username, their response, and the time and date stamp that they selected this response. The third option is View Comments. If comments were enabled during creation of this message, users will have the ability to add a comment. You will be able to see their first name of the individual who submitted the comment, as well as the timestamp it was submitted. You can also add a comment yourself if you wish. Lastly, we have View User Communication Logs. Here is where you can see the communication channels used to deliver the announcement. You can also view recipient stats, including total number of recipients, total not delivered, total opened and read, and then total push, text, and email notifications delivered. Scrolling down a bit, you will see that each user that the announcement was delivered to, whether they read the message, and how they received the announcement. To quickly find a particular individual, use the Search by Name feature. The second option we have under the gear icon I would like to talk about is our Edit and Resend option. To get to this page, click on the gear icon to the right side of the announcement and click Edit and Resend. This will lead you to a page where you can edit the details, including the title, the message, the category, attachments, response type, commenting feature, the schedule, distribution, and communication channels used. Once finished, click Send or Save at the top of your page. The last item I would like to talk about is archiving or removing announcements. To do this, select the announcement you would like to archive or remove. Then select Actions and choose the option you wish. And that is all you need to know about how to send and manage announcements. Thank you and have a fantastic day.